So make sure you like and subscribe because we do put out a video or a short every day, sneakerheads. Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go ahead and give this video a big like. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, it's too easy. It's too easy. Just give us a thumbs up. That's all we asking for.
Hey, so today's video, we're starting off with these Jordan recaps. These are the shoes that released first week of August. Go ahead and start off with brother.
Starting off with the recap, we got those Jordan 2s, right? Crystal Mint. They were pushed back. They pushed back to this Friday, the 11th. So, hey, be on the lookout for them. And let us know. Shoot us a comment. Let us know if you rocking those or if you dropping those. But once again, hey, they were pushed back to the 11th, which is Friday.
And so next on the list, we have the Ama Maniere and Nike Airship. This was a collaboration. They were set to release on Ama Maniere website. I did not enter the raffle, so let us know that these sneakers released and did they sell out, sneakerheads? Let us know in the comments.
Yeah. What we got next, we got those Jordan 5s, Dog Dance. They were released. Hey, sneakerheads, any of you have any update on why or what happened? Hey, shoot us a comment, fill us in what's going on, because we go out there, we don't see no activity on these shoes. So if you guys know what's going on out there, hey, just shoot us a comment and keep us in the loop as well.
Moving on, we have that highly anticipated Jordan 1 Low OG Black Toe.
Yes,
This
sir.
was set to release and did not sell out. Again, I say did not sell out.
Hold
They
on,
kind of
man.
sat on Nike.com for a little while, but eventually they did eventually sell almost every size except for maybe like a 14 or 15. I don't remember which one, but I did go to my local shoe stores here at the mall and they were sitting. Mostly all sizes in gray schools are still available. So if you want them, GS sizes, go ahead and pick them up, sneakerheads. They still have sizes, but I don't know which one. So just check with your local retail sneaker shop. Still have your size.
Yeah, and if you are copying them, hey, just shoot us a comment and let us know that you copied those. But what we have next on the list is those Jordan 2s at Pale Vanilla. These did not release as well. If you have any updates out there, sneakerhead, hey, shoot us a comment and keep us in the loop of what's going on out there. But these did not release.
Yeah, and this was a very strange pair, sneakerheads, because I never saw official photos of these. And then, like, if you look on GOAT and Flight Club, like, they don't have any official photos of their shoe. So it makes me wonder that were these shoes actually produced yet or not? I didn't see them on the sneakers app. And let us know in the comments if you have any updates for us, sneakerheads. Finishing off, we have that Jordan 13 Wolf Gray. As you know, the 13s usually sit, and these are sitting currently on Nike.com. In men's sizes, we have 8 to 12. And the weird thing on Nike.com, most of the GS sizes did sell out. I don't know why. But I did go to my local retail stores, and they did have the Wolf Grays. So if you need them in gray school or in men's size, go and scoop them up for back to school, sneakerheads.
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys like content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.